Hello everyone and welcome back to BFG Woodworking. I'm Big Red. On today's video, I'm just going to show you the very quick, easy, simple process of making these Christmas stars, decorative stars. But the process of actually getting the star bit doesn't take long at all. All you're going to need is to find two angles on your miter saw. That's it. So let me show you it. Oh, and I forgot. Please subscribe to my channel if you find this as easy as I did.
Fun. I smell the blood of an Englishman.
So the first thing you want to do is set your miter saw to 45 degrees. Once you've done that, just cut the end off your stock. So what you want to do once you've cut your 45, to get the actual lengths that you want to cut, is measure this bit here. Which on mine is 70 millimeters. And all you do, double it. So I'm going to do 140 millimeters, and that's how I'm going to batch these 45 degrees out. Easy as that. Let's get to cutting. Now once you've done your 45 cut, the next cut is 31.5 degrees. And these are the only two you're going to need. If your miter saw has a positive stop at 31.5, great news. If not, do your best guess. Or get yourself a really inexpensive little angle gauge. And that's what I'm going to be using for setting up my miter saw. So now what we need to do is measure where we're going to make our 31.5 degree cuts. It's easy. It's half the length of your stock. So I'm at 140 mil. I'm cutting mine at 70. I use the 45 degree offcut just to help secure that piece in my miter saw before I make the cut. So we just mate up them 45s. Cut it. Flip that round. Cut it again. And then there's your point of your star. Then get the offcut that you've just done. Do the same again. Flip it over. Now what you're going to do is repeat this process with all your bits. And this is how easy it is to batch them out. Now we've got all 5 points of our star cut out. Time to glue them together. Now I find the easiest thing with these, because they are a nightmare to clamp up, is to use a combination of wood glue and super glue. So what I like to do is just dot on some wood glue. And then add in your super glue. Spray on some activator. And what I can do is I've clamped down straight edge plywood here, just so I can get them at the point. Rotate them into place. Hold it for a sec. There you go. Glue together, just repeat that for the rest of them. Now once you've got them all batched out, you can do some things after that. Mess about with it. Don't know if you see that, I've put some chamfers just on the joining pieces, just add a bit of decoration. I've sprayed this silver and gold. Done that one white, but you can do whatever you want. They're very customizable and they're very easy to do. But I'd like to thank you for your time. If you have got some out of this, please subscribe to my channel. Really help me out. I'll see you again soon.